Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's Day heart jar. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this jar, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is a mason jar, masking tape, scissors, an X-Acto knife, a pencil, a paintbrush, ribbon, 2 colors of paint, tin foil, and a fake candle, or you could also use battery-powered string lights. The first thing you want to do is to take a piece of tape and cut it in half. And then you want to overlap them so you can make a wider piece of tape. Then you want to draw a heart onto the tape. And then you want to cut the heart out. When you get the heart cut out, you want to place the heart onto the jar. You want to lay out some tinfoil onto your surface so you don't get paint onto anything. Now you can paint the jar any color that you want and wait for it to dry. You might have to paint it with more than one coat of paint. I decided to paint my jar red, but you can paint it any color that you would like. When the jar is dry, you can carefully take the heart off of the jar. If the paint went under the tape, you can take an X-Acto knife and scratch off the paint off of the jar very carefully to clean up any of the extra paint that you don't want. Now you can take another color of paint, like white or another color, and paint a line all the way around the heart. If you mess up the line, you can take the X-Acto knife and clean up the line very carefully. If you want, you can add some dotted lines around the inside of the heart, and if you mess up the lines, you can take the X-Acto knife to clean up the lines. When the jar is dry, you can take a piece of ribbon and tie it around the top of the jar into a bow. And you want to cut the tails of the ribbon at an angle. The last thing you have to do is to put a fake candle or battery-powered string lights into the jar. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this jar, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!